everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back in Newport right now at my house, and I know I've been doing like a lot of Texas stuff and road trips and stuff like that, but I am home now, and I thought this would be a really good time to do a little house tour. So if you've been following me for a while, I know I took a big long gap, but if you're still subscribed and you're back here watching, first of all, thank you. But a lot of you know that I'm very into like home decor and just like house stuff in general, and I wanted to show you guys my cute little cozy beach cottage. So let's start the tour. So this is the living room. I don't really know what to say about a living room. You kind of just walk in and there it is. But we have white couches. We got these at a consignment store. This rug is from Home Goods. Little breakfast nook over there. It's the other view, other couch. So we've used a lot of stuff that we had in our old house. If you haven't watched our old house tour, I'll link that somewhere, either below or here or whatever. This is the little pegboard we used to have in our kitchen, and now we just use it for leashes, purses, whatever needs to be hung. Cute little piece of art above it. And then we have this little stool. This was also in our old house. Couches are filthy, but that might be a video coming soon on Shannon's channel. I'll let you know. Just a cozy little area. This lamp right here, this is from Restoration Hardware. This is where we keep all of Frank's toys. Don't mind the cords. I hate that so much. I want to fix that. That is going to be something I will do at some point. This little table we thrifted. Our little tree. This was from Hobby Lobby, I think. Over here, a lot of this stuff like on the mantle, actually most of the stuff in our house has been thrifted, but anytime I'm in the thrift store and I see blue and white, I have to pick it up. I'm a big blue and white person, and that's something that you will see again and again throughout this house. And then this is our little breakfast nook slash workspace. These chairs were thrifted. Shannon actually found those when she was thrifting with my mom one time. The table is from Facebook Marketplace, I think. And this is also probably gonna be a DIY coming soon, so I won't talk too much about that. This little blue and white striped bench is from Home Goods. And at some point, I'd love to put like a big piece of art or maybe a gallery wall or something right there, but this is just how it is right now. And then over here, if you'll remember this from our old spot, we took this from my mom. I don't know where she got it. And then we just put this hardware on the front. It's really cute. Our little twin dogs, and then some more blue and white. There will be a photo in here at some point. The glass is broken, so I need to replace that first, but it was like $1 at the thrift store, so I had to get it. This big mirror right here is from Target. I'm sure it's still available. I feel like Target like keeps things around for a while. And then these framed canvas pieces were both thrifted. And this is another view of the living room. Frank's stairs. And then what else? That lamp has been thrifted. That ladder I've actually had for like 10 years. It's been painted. It's been in every house we've ever had. This big piece of art was from Home Goods. And then I guess let's go into the kitchen next. So our kitchen is so teeny tiny. It's kind of like a one-person kitchen. But we have like coffee maker, our toaster oven. There's our tiny little stove. And you know, all the stuff. One of my favorite things about this house is just like the cute little scallop detail. This house was built in like 1946 or something like that, and I just love all the original charm. It's so cozy. More blue and white. We've got, well, sometimes that has vegetables in it, sometimes it has mail. I don't know what's happening there. And then on this side, water filter, tequila, all the essentials. This frame was thrifted and I hung it. I'm not super in love with this photo, but I just thought I'd get it up on the wall and we can change that out at some point. And then this side, we have more scallops. I do love how much storage we have in this kitchen for how teeny tiny it is. It's really nice because we need it. Some photos, me and Luke, Shannon and Lauren from their Y2K themed birthday party. A filming notice for Real Housewives of Orange County, which we had to keep because they were filming on our street and, you know, we had to. So you come back through here. Here's our little hallway. I changed these knobs out because I just thought the white and yellow would be so much cuter than the silver that was there. Hung this little shelf. I think the shelf is from Hobby Lobby also. And then I've had this piece of art for a while. This was in our last house as well. And when we don't get around to going to the store and getting flowers, sometimes we just clip from our big tree out there, just so there's some greens and life in the house. This is Shannon's room. I'll show you that in a little bit. And then if you saw our last house tour video, this is the mirror that Shannon used to have in her room. And then, yeah, it's pretty much the hallway. I guess I'll do the bathroom next. So here's our teeny tiny little bathroom. And here's some of the art. This was all thrifted. We have, one of my favorite parts about this bathroom is this little French door here that opens up to the backyard. This curtain was vintage tea towels that I turned into a curtain. I don't know, it's cute. I like the pattern. And then we have lots going on here. Yellow tile, which I just think is so cute. This shower is so teeny tiny. It's like literally the size of an RV shower, but it works. And then yellow trash can, just some cute little things. Sorry, the toilet seat's up, but I'm not gonna stop filming just to fix that. This shower curtain's from Target, just the blue and white checks. And then got some more stuff over here, just some like little vintage dishes. Weird paper towel holder, which we were gonna take down at first, but honestly it's kind of handy. Just a medicine cabinet, mirror. I do love this little shelf though. It's really nice to just you know, when you're doing your makeup, because there's no counter space, just to be able to throw some things up there. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. The backyard, that's gonna be another video coming soon, I think on Shannon's channel. We did DIY the black and tan tiles. That will be coming soon. But that's just a little sneak peek. From the bathroom, we'll go into my room. Big bed, takes up most of the space, but honestly, if you're deciding whether to get a queen or king bed, I highly, highly recommend getting a king. You'll never sleep better. This furniture I've had forever. It's from IKEA. I would love to like switch it up. I mean, I already have. I put some new hardware on it, but eventually I'll be getting some new stuff. Target mirror that I actually thrifted for like $5, which was awesome. It's just a little jewelry box. Thrifted. And just some little stuff down here. Matisse book that I thrifted, which I was so excited to find. Vintage matchbooks, a little chinoiserie vase, some books, Traveling Italy, and then this cute little candle that my sister Shannon got me for my birthday one year, which I love. This is a cocktail set that Luke and I picked up like the first time I ever went to Texas to visit him. And we're gonna redo this at some point, but just haven't yet. This I actually got on the road trip in New Mexico. I kind of have a Mary theme going on in my room. So going this way, another Mary, some holy water I got from the church when we were in Santa Fe, little matchbook. This has been thrifted, this was thrifted. Over here, this came out of my grandparents' house. This little handkerchief my mom got me. She has one. My sister has one as well. My grandparents. And then this was a poster I thrifted and put in a Target frame. You might recognize this from our last house tour as well. Took this from my mother and now it keeps extra quilts and blankets. I have just a small little vinyl collection right here. My record player is in storage right now, so Just wanted to keep those in a cool temperature so they didn't get warped. Closet, storage, shoe and jewelry storage. Over here, back of the door, I just keep some of like my bags that I've got from traveling and my robe. This really, really cool clutch that I got from Cleo Bella like years and years ago, and it's so heavy. It's like actually like a weapon if I needed it, but I don't use it that often. I just love it. This is my dresser area. Some disposables that need to be taken into the photo lab. Just some thrifted old books. I have right here, this little clock came out of my grandparents' house as well. Perfume. This was my grandma's. Shannon and I. This little tree I know looks super naked, but the leaves on it looked really fake, but I thought the tree itself was really cute. So I'm probably gonna DIY this and like, I don't know, we'll see. TV over here, just some more like catch-all dishes. The new Rhode skincare, which I'm really enjoying actually. So loving that. Luke and I, just some candles. This was thrifted as well. Actually, like literally everything in my house has been thrifted. Over here, this is my mirror. IKEA. It's not my favorite thing in the world. Maybe that will be another DIY project too. Who knows? This little shelf, thrifted. Everything was thrifted except for the little candle. Another Mary. And then down here I have my jewelry box. I need to find a better place to put it, but this house is pretty small and I don't have a lot of counter space. So right now it just lives on the floor, but this was such a good find. It just fits everything like so well and it's so big, but I've been loving this. I'd like to like strip it and like, I don't know, paint it or do something, have this engraved. I don't know at some point, but I'm gonna have it for a really long time. I love this thing. So windows, don't love the window treatments, would like to put curtains up at some point, but just haven't gotten around to it yet. Over here, this was another DIY project I didn't finish, but I will at some point. This is where computers go to die. My old computers, just a bag of stuff I haven't unpacked from Texas yet. Bed frame was thrifted. This is probably my favorite thing in my room right now. This is the prettiest duvet I've ever had. And this is vintage. My mom found it and had it dry cleaned and it's just so pretty. So these pillows, I got these at Home Goods. They're a little lumpy. I need to get down inserts for them, but I just haven't yet. Side view, I've got some ivy growing up my window that I should probably go take down, but I'm kind of enjoying like the little romantic vibe of it right now, so maybe not yet. And then this is Shannon's room. She thrifted this big piece of art, all of these candles she's thrifted, some jewelry, her and Sam. This piece was thrifted as well. She has her closet right here. She's got some storage back here. And then just more totes. I know that she's shown like her bedding before. A good tip for finding mismatched like floral or striped or whatever bedding is eBay. They have so many vintage patterns and prints, and I'm sure people are going to want to know where she got all of this stuff, but most of it's vintage. I think actually, yeah, I think all of it is, except for this. This is from Parachute. It's like a linen blanket, little Franklin. And then this hanging plant was from Target. She has some decor up there. She loves the ducks, so that's a big theme in here. But I'll show you guys this in detail. I just love this print, and I love that it's in a blue and white vase. It just fits our vibe so much. Another thing I just love about this house is the whole house is wood paneling, which is just charming. That was the house tour video. Sorry, I'm filming on my phone. Sorry if I went too fast over anything. I'm trying to get better at the whole vlogging thing, so be patient with me. I know it's like a lot of like, we're gonna go do this, and then like explanation, so I'm getting better at that. But yeah, it's just taking me a minute. It's always hard getting back into this game, so working on that. But stay tuned, because coming up well, when I stopped talking, was a little birthday trip that Luke and I took to Palm Springs, and it wasn't like enough to make it a whole vlog on its own because we just didn't do a lot. We just mostly laid by the pool, but stay tuned for that because we stayed at the cutest hotel. I'll link our old house video below, and then also, like I said, Shannon's backyard video will be coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. I'll link her channel as well. So thank you guys for watching this part. Stay tuned. Hello, so I thought I'd check in. It is currently Sunday, May 22nd, and it is Luke's 32nd birthday. We just made it to Palm Springs, and we're gonna be staying here for his birthday today, and then my birthday, which is May 23rd, tomorrow. He's only 1 day older than me, same year. So we're doing a little bit of a birthday celebration, and we're staying at Holiday House. And this hotel is honestly the cutest place I've ever stayed in my life. Know that it is Luke's birthday and my birthday, but you guys, look what the hotel did. I can't believe that. That was amazing. Look at this room, by the way. Then we have an outdoor shower. Oh, I love this place so much. Good morning. So it is now my turn for the birthday. Yesterday it was Luke's birthday, and we got to this super cute hotel. It's my birthday now, and we are going to go to a couple vintage shops, I think, and then probably end up back here and just lay by the pool the rest of the day. I want to get tan and move on and find some cute vintage stuff. So that is what we're doing today.